In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a custom field in Asana. We'll walk through the entire process from inside your Asana dashboard so you can follow along step by step. Custom fields are a powerful way to track extra information on your tasks, like priority, budget, status, or anything that doesn't come built into Asana by default. Start by logging into your Asana account and heading to your main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with different sections. Look for the section labeled Projects. Under this, you'll see a list of all the projects you have access to. Click on the project where you want to add a custom field. This could be an existing project you're already working in, or a new one you've just created. Once you select it, the project will open up in the main area of your screen. With your project open, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner. Here, you should see a button labeled Customize. Go ahead and click that. When you do, a panel or drawer will slide open from the right side of the screen. This is where you can adjust various settings and layout options for your project. Inside this customization drawer, look for an Add drop-down button. Click on Add, and from the options that appear, choose Field. This tells Asana you want to create or add a custom field to your project. A pop-up window will open, giving you all the controls you need to define that field. In the pop-up, make sure you're on the Create New tab. This is important because it ensures you're building a completely new custom field rather than reusing an existing one. Start by typing in a clear, descriptive title for your custom field. Think about how your team will use it and choose a name that's easy to understand at a glance. Next, look for the field type drop-down. Click it and select the type of field you want to use, such as text, number, drop-down, or another option depending on what Asana offers in your workspace. After choosing the type, you'll see additional settings appear. Configure these options based on your needs. For example, a drop-down field might let you define specific choices, while a number field might allow certain formats. You can also choose to add this new field to your field library. Doing that makes it easier to reuse the same field in other projects later, keeping everything consistent across your workspace. Once you're happy with the title, type, and settings, click Create Field. Your newly created custom field will now appear in your project as a new column, alongside things like task name and due date. From here, you can start using it right away. To update a value, simply click into any cell under that custom field column for a task and enter or select the appropriate information. And that's all you need to start using custom fields in Asana to better organize and track your work.